Hello guys, hope everything is great with you and you're having an amazing day. Welcome to a new video where you will learn how to add your brand kit inside Premast Plus. We can start by saying that the brand kit in Premast Plus is a brand asset management tool on a smaller scale, where user can add their brand assets and access them inside PowerPoint to create branded presentations. In this video, we will know all about it and how we can build our brand kit inside Premast Plus. Okay, here is my portal. Start with clicking on Brand Kit. At the top right of the page, you will find Create New Brand. Choose a brand icon. Write down the brand name. And create new brand. Here you have a new brand kit created. You can upload logos from your computer. Add colors by choosing from the color palette available or adding a color code. Any amount of colors you want. You can add typography and images. When it comes to images, we have two options here. Whether to upload from your computer directly an image that you want, or to choose an image from image library on Premast Plus. Here's tons of images. You can choose a one you like, add to brand, choose the brand you want to add it to it, and here it is, directly added to your brand kit. Going back, you will find it, add the images. And now, of course, you want to share your brand kit. At the top right of the page, you will find Share button, and this Share button gives you two options: whether to share it with people to view it, to only view your brand kit, or to have an access and edit it. All you have to do is insert an email and click invite. You can share it with multiple people to edit or view. This is it for today's video, guys. Hope everything is clear. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it down in the comments, and see you in another video to learn something new about Premast Plus.